Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to view files and folders with dir command in command prompt. We have a folder on our desktop called downloads. In this video, we will show you how to view files and folders inside this folder using the dir command in command prompt. In the Windows search bar, type cmd. Click on the command prompt from the results. The command prompt window will open on your desktop. To move inside the downloads folder, type cd desktop and press enter. Now you are inside the desktop folder. Type cd downloads and press enter. Now you are inside the downloads folder. To view files and folder inside this folder, type dir and press enter. This will list all the files and folders in the current directory along with the date, time, size, and a summary showing the total number of files and their size. To view the files and folders in a compact list format, type dir/b and press enter. This prints only the file and folder names. To view all the files, including the hidden and system files, type dir/a and press enter. This shows every entry, including hidden and system files. As you can see, this is showing entries of a hidden folder and a hidden MP4 file. To view only directories, type dir/ad and press enter. To view only files, type dir/a:\d and press enter. To view hidden files and folders directly inside the Windows Explorer, go to the View option in the top menu bar and check the box next to Hidden Items. Now, to view all the files in the current folder and all the subfolders, type dir/s and press enter. To view all the files and folders in a compact list format, type dir/s/b and press enter. To search for a specific file type, for example, all .txt files under this folder and its subfolders, type dir/s/b star.txt and press enter. Similarly, you can search for JPEG, MP4 and other file formats. It is especially helpful when you're troubleshooting, writing scripts, or working on systems without a graphical user interface. This is how you can view files and folders using the dir command in command prompt. Thank you for watching.